children, how are you? Are you okay? Now you are with teacher Modeste. Now today we are on Thursday, Thursday 24 September 2025. Okay, first of all, you have to write your name in order to have a good presentation. Now, for me, as I have said it, my name is Teacher Modeste. Okay, now we are in P2 class. Okay, now our subject is mathematics. Now, in mathematics, we are going to see we are going to start to the unit called whole numbers from 0 up to 100. Now our unit is unit 1, whole numbers from 0 up to 200. Now this is our unit. Now in this unit we have a topic which is addition. Topic is addition of all numbers from, as you have seen, from 0 up to 100. Okay. Now, first of all, we are going to start by seeing digital numbers. As we see digital numbers, we have 10 digital numbers. Digital numbers. In digital numbers, when we want to demonstrate them, we have to start with 0. Now the other digital number is 1. After 1, we have 2. After 2, we have 3. After 3, we have 4. After 4, we have 5. After 5, we have 6. After 6, we have 7. After 7, we have 8. After 8, we have 9. Now you have seen the digital numbers we have in mathematics. Now we already have 10 digital numbers. Now after those digital numbers, we are going to see another one called place value table. Now we are going to see place value table. Now in place value table we have what we call hundreds. Now after this, after hundreds, we have tens. After tens, we have ones. As we see in these hundreds, now we are going to see the letter which represent hundreds. In hundreds is represented with the letter H. Now tens is represented with letter T. Now ones represented with the letter O. Okay. Now let us see how we make a place value table. In making a place value table, we have to start with the ones here. After ones, we go on tens. After tens is hundreds. Okay. Now we are about to do our table of place value. We do it like this. Now after, we are going to see how to complete our table. In a place value table, for example, as we have a number which is 164. Now let us how we are going to put our number in place value table. First of all, we have to see ones. We have to see ones. Now in this number, the digital which is represent ones is 4. Now after 4, there is another number which represents tens. The number which represents tens is 6. Now 6 is going to be here. Now after 6, we are going to see the number which represent hundreds. Now this one represents hundreds. Now we have seen that we are already finished to put our number in the place value table. Now let us see another example. For example, we take this 153. Now to this number which is 153, then the number with the digital which represent ones is 3. Now we are going to start with the 3. Now 3 is going to be here because 3 represent ones. After 3, we have 5. This 5 represents tens. Now we are going to put it here. Now it is 5 which is going to be here. Now after 5, we get 1 there. Now 1 is going to represent hundreds. Okay. Now for an example. We already see how to put the number in a place value table. I hope everyone understood how we use this place value table. Have you understood? Okay. Thank you very much. Let us continue. Before continuing, I am going to give you an exercise. Exercise. Now exercise number 1 is Exercise number 1 is 200. Exercise number 2 is 156. Exercise number 3 is 88. Now I hope everybody can do this exercise. Now after this, let us see how we make addition. For addition, of whole numbers from 0 up to 2000. Okay, let us continue with those numbers. Now, as we have seen that, I have seen how to use the principal table. Now we have seen that we have hundreds. This H represents hundreds. Now after hundreds, we have tens. This T represents tens. Now after tens, we have ones. Now this O represents ones, as you have seen there. Now let us continue with our place value table. We have already seen how to use our place value table. Now let us continue. For example, we are going to take an example here, which is an example of numbers. Examples. As for A we have on this question we have 136 plus 61. For example, now on question B, we can take 128 plus 66. Now let us see how to put our numbers in the place value table in order to make our addition. First of all, we have to see this first number. Now we are going to put our number in the place value table. Now we have already seen that we have to start with ones. Now we are going to start with 6 because this 6 represents ones. Now after 6 we have 3. As we have seen, this 3 represent what? Tens. Now we are going to put here 3. Now after 3 we have 1, which is represent hundreds. Now let us continue. After this first number, now we are going to continue with the second number. Now the second number is 61. Now see, this 61, we have this 1 which represents ones. Now after 1, we are going to continue with 6 because 6 represents tens. Now we have 6 here. Now we have to put our addition sign here because we can't put it there in our place value table. Now let us continue with our question. Now in the column of ones, we have 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. Now, how can we do it? 6 plus 1. Now we are going to draw the zeros in order to find the answer of 6 plus 1. Here we have 6. Now we are going to write them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 6 zeros there. After 6, we have to add only 1 zero. That means we are going to put here another one in order to get the answer. Now the answer of here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have seen that 6 plus 1 equals 7. You have to write it here. After writing it here, you have to put it here because this 6 is already represent ones. Have you seen? Good. Now let us continue with tens. On these tens, we have to see 3 plus 6. Now let us see that we are going to draw bananas. Bananas. Suppose that those are bananas. Now we have to draw 3 bananas. Okay. This one is 1 banana, 2 bananas. Now let us draw another one. Now it is 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3 bananas. Now after draw those bananas, suppose that these 6 are what? Are mangoes. They are all oranges. Suppose that those are oranges. This is the first orange. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let us see the total of those things we have here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 9 things there. Now it is 9. Now 9 is going to be here. We are going to write here 9 because we have already taken those numbers which are in the column of tens. It means we have 9. As we have seen that here there is nothing, as we have already seen. Because here there is nothing, we have to take this one and we write here. Have you understood? Yes. Thank you very much. Now let us continue to the second question. Now for the second question, we have 128 plus 66. Now, how are you going to do it? Let us draw our place value table. As you have seen that, we have to start with the ones. After ones, we are continuing with tens. After tens, it is hundreds. Okay. Now let us draw our place value table. Now we have 128. Let us see how we put our number in a place value table. We've already seen that we have to start with the ones. Let us see the number which represent ones. Here we have 8 is 8 which represent ones. Now we are going to put here 8 because 8 represents ones. After 8 we have 2. Now these 2 represent tens. Now we have to write 2 here. After 2 we have 1. This one represents hundreds. Now we are going to write 1 here. Now we already finished to put our number in a place value table. After that, we already have 66 because our question is 128 plus 66. Now let us see how we are going to put our number 66 in a place value table. Now we have 6. This 6 represents what? Ones. Now we are going to put 60 here in the column of ones. After 6, we have another 6 here, which represents tens. It is 6 we are going to put here. Now after that, we have to put our addition sign here. Now here we have 8 plus 8 in the column of ones. Now let us make bars in order to help us to get the answer of 8 plus 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 8 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now plus 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let us count them all together. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now our answer is 14. Now we are going to write our number 14 here. As we see that we have a number, two numbers. Now we already see that the first number here, this 4, represent what? Ones. Now it means you are going to put here 4. Now after that we have 1 here. As we see in this number, this one represents tens. That's why we are going to put it here. Now let us continue our operation. Now is 1 plus 2. 1, 2. After that we are going to add 6. Now add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let us count them all together. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here our answer is 9. Now we already see that this 9 is a single digit. Now it means we are going to put 9 here. As we have already seen that here, because we don't have any number here. Now this one we are going to rewrite here. Now the answer is 194. 194 as our answer. Now you already understood this this topic, which is addition or all numbers from 0 to 100. Now let us give you an exercise. Now, the first exercise is 125 plus 55. Now the second question is 98 plus 93. Now the last question is 76 plus 111. Now I want everybody should be able to do those exercises. Thank you very much for following me how to do addition of all numbers from 0 up to 200. Thank you very much.